Water is an essential commodity which plays a key role in human sustenance. As the saying goes, we can survive up to several weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Every system in the body, from cells to tissues to vital organs, require water to function. Provision of water is one of the major challenges that the global community is facing today. Lack of safe drinking water might result in various health challenges and even death in some cases. Acmegeo Enterprises is one of the few commercial water borehole drilling company that contributes to the achievement of Target 7C of the Millennium Development Goals MDG 7C, which is geared towards reducing the population of people without water and good sanitation in the southwest of Nigeria and most especially the city of Ibadan. Acmegeo Enterprises provides water services through geological engineering. The company provides services such as geophysical investigations, borehole drilling, geochemical investigation and analysis, mine and mineral evaluation, civil engineering foundation investigation, amongst many other services.
We are into geophysical investigation, geochemical investigation, geotechnical investigation, mine and mineral evaluation, and borehole drilling. So basically that's what we do here. In Lagos, it goes beyond borehole drilling. Foundation investigation, because of the rate of building failures. We have to properly evaluate the settlement, permeability in soils, load-bearing capacities of soil and all that. And with that, we'll be able to, okay, this is the structure you want to put on this soil. If you put this here, it's not going to help. Okay, if you insist on doing it, what can we do? How can we reinforce the foundation? Then we advise you appropriately on what to do. We're also into water treatment. In Lagos, we build water treatment plants. We built for the Lord's Estate in Lekki, alcove homes at Yaba. It's a very big project. Those are some of the few things we do.
Mr. Adekola Olawuyi Olaniyonu, the CEO MD of Acmegeo Enterprises, speaks about the company's activities. He states that the company's main objective in Ibadan is the provision of water. He further explains that drilling boreholes in Ibadan is a bit challenging. This is because Ibadan is a basement complex terrain, unlike some other parts of Nigeria which have sedimentary terrains. He reveals that the rate of drilling failure in Ibadan is high, making geological investigations necessary before drilling.
Here in Ibadan, we solve that problem. We help you look for water, and then we help you drill. Once we agree on the procedures and the prices and all that, we want to see how we can get water out of rock. So, and it's not something you can just stand at the surface and know where it is. So we, in geophysics, we have various methods by which we detect the flow of water within the subsurface, how much of it is there. You may not be absolute about how much is there, but at least you have an idea of the depth to which you can get water. Then the various layers, subsurface layers, before you get to water. That is basically what geophysical investigation is. The rate of borehole failure is high, and that is what calls for geophysical investigation. And as much as possible, we want to make you happy. We also want to, it is our joy to see that you have water and you are also happy.
The geoscientist dwells on professionalism as he explains that the uniqueness of the company can be credited to the competence, reliability, and professionalism of the company. He admonishes young graduates and youths in the society to prepare themselves and stay focused in their pursuit for greatness.
Professionalism, that is it, because whenever we have an opportunity to execute a project or carry a project for somebody, as much as possible we want to be professional enough. And we don't want I don't want a situation whereby I will work for you and I will not be able to sleep. I don't want any complaints. So as much as possible, we want to do everything with good finesse. We want everything to be neat. We want everything to be well tidied. We want all explanations beyond whatever thing we will be doing before, during, or after the project to be clearly stated and understood by you, so that we won't have issues. And that has really helped us a lot. You, as much as possible, try to be open, to be truthful. I would rather tell you the worst case scenario that is happening than quote what is happening with lies, and then you later discover it, and then I turn out to be something else. So as much as possible, honesty, professionalism has been the backbone, our watchword, our major watchword in what we do. So my advice is they should just try. The upcoming youth should try, and they need to get something early now, that getting a job out there is not as easy as what they will be telling them in classes. The youth need to really look inward. They really need to understand who they are, what they have passion for, and then regardless of whatever that is happening around them, whatever may be happening in the country, they should stay focused. Hold on to their dream. Hold on to whatever thing they believe, and whatever they know, they are convinced that they can give to the society. And I can tell you, the sky is not just their limit, it's just the beginning of their soaring.